Morning.
We're gonna be heading to our project in the city of Pico Rivera, and it is an ADU conversion project. So we're gonna go take a look at it and the process of what's going on. Let's go. All right, we're here at the project. Let's check it out. Come on. He bites, but
Are you serious?
he's not gonna bite you though.
Marco.
Just pet him.
Hi.
He remembers me. So we connected a main drain right here. So it came out of this house right here. So, but we already covered up. Use our fucking badass machines, and you know we got it done quick. Take a look at this. Look how well placed it is. And we also dropped our main line 3/4 inch right here directly into the house. So it didn't require us to go all the way to the front of the house. So pretty much attached it there. We have a good PSI. We have around 65 PSI. So we just put a 3/4 inch ball valve and run a 3/4 inch soft copper type L, and then sleeved it up, ready to go, covered it, and we're pretty much moved on. So this is the floor plan, right? So let's take a look at it the correct way. Let's face it this way. That's the way we're facing right now. So we have pretty much the patio area. We're gonna have our restroom, our basic shower, toilet, vanity. We have our kitchen area, refrigerator, stove, sink, and then we have our bedroom. So this wall is gonna remain the same. This shed was originally done illegally. It was converted into an ADU illegally. So we come in here and look at all the bullshit they did, and we try to correct it the right way, right? As you can tell, we have 2x4 ceiling joists. It's not gonna hold up anything. And then all the drywall was actually glued on, which I don't like. There was R13 insulation. We're gonna put in R15, and then any 2x that are no good, we're just gonna go ahead and sister them. We're not gonna have any movement just to not damage the stucco outside and the paper and the waterproofing. We are gonna install hold downs. So we already have our anchor bolts in, and hold downs as well. So we have the rod sticking up ready for the hold down. There's one over there. We're just waiting on the framing to get pretty much to complete. Another thing that you guys might see here that is not our work is that we have white wire. You can tell the floor is still existing. So we still have all the framing. We're just pretty much gonna adapt to what is here and just reinforce everything up to code. Pretty much using everything from A35s, hurricane ties, put the load from the. So we have a couple of shear walls. Basically, wherever our probably a 4 feet span shear walls, wherever our hold downs are, like one right here. So we have a hold down here, and then another one over there. So that's gonna be a shear wall, another shear wall over here. These shear walls are going to be interior shear walls. We also have our plumbing here. Our rough plumbing is pretty much done. We tested it out. No leaks. We have our vents. We have everything pretty much set up. So here we have for our vanity. This is for our vanity. We have our 1.5 inch for our vanity as well, the drain. We have our vent pipes already in. All our copper. So we are using type L copper. We do use ProPress. So in this project, we are using ProPress just just to be faster. But yeah, it is type L, and we do sleeve it with the insulation to protect the hot water from not cooling or from burning anything. And then we also have our wall plates, pretty much setting everything up. We still have a little bit more process to go, but our wall plates are in to protect us from, or the drywallers from hitting our pipes. And then we're just waiting on the HVAC guy. We're gonna have a mini split inside this bedroom over there. So there's gonna be a mini split here, and then we're gonna have our electrician come in and put our new recessed lighting. Beautiful. So this is looking like a very quick, easy, fast project that we're gonna get done. Have more of our plumbing here, 1.5 inch, strapped up, insulated. We have our copper. I mean, we might strap our copper a little bit more reinforced, but we are missing our plumber's tape to strap up our 1.5 inch pipe. But everything looks good. I mean, this is a conversion, not a rebuild, so don't expect this to be nice and pretty, but we are gonna work with what we have here. So this is what a project looks like. So if you're interested in converting a shed, a garage, pretty much we'll adapt to what is there. Anything that is bad, we'll throw away, rebuild, but it's not gonna be like a full build where it's like from the ground up. You'll never have anything better than from the ground up because you're gonna have the best foundation laid out. Everything is perfect. So here, there's nothing perfect. This is like grabbing I don't know, like a broken toy and just try to put it back together. So this is pretty much what we're doing. So yeah, this is for Genx builders and JC builders. So shout out to both companies. Okay, so right here we're gonna have our copper. So we have our riser, 3/4. We have enough pressure. Don't worry, guys. And then we put a 3/4 ball valve. I personally hate fucking 1/2 inch valves. Water bibs, they're annoying. They spray water like crazy and they don't give you a nice flow. I think this is much better. And then also we have everything ready for, this is gonna be for the hot water. This is for the cold water. As you can tell, hot and cold water are connected, but we have it ready for the left hot and the right cold. This is gonna be for our tankless water heater. And we are using fully electric water heater. And this home is not gonna have any gas. This home is gonna be fully electric, so it's gonna be badass. So ready for that. All right, thank you guys. Have a good one.